way to Liverpool. Got it at Aisha, you know. Aisha don't like her now, so her hand's looking a bit bare. But it's okay. So yeah, we'll see when we get to our accommodation. Do we tell them why we're going?
Tell them about this, please.
I know, do you want to be in our vlog? You don't want to be, please say hello.
Hi.
Bye. Hey guys, we're off to the wedding. Whoa. We're actually quite late. But no, I want to do my outfit detail. You can't even see it, but basically this abaya belongs to my nan.
Babes, this is what shitty vlogging is this?
What do you mean?
My God, I don't know what we vlogged and what we haven't. Basically, we came back from one of the women's events. And it was a really interesting experience, you know, because like new cultures and stuff. Now we're all back at like our Airbnb, which is like the main Airbnb. And like my whole family's just here and it's just vibes, I guess. So let's go see what's happening downstairs. Walk down these cute stairs. So we have all the men are here. Guys, it's honestly hilarious. This gender split is absolutely iconic. So we got all the men in here watching football, gossiping and whatnot.
Are you recording?
I'm vlogging. Yeah. And now we're gonna go into the women's room, which is basically, oh hello, one man in here. You just got these lot just singing in the kitchen. How hilarious is this? Absolutely hilarious. Bats.
I got you, babe. I got you to hold my hand. I got you to understand. I got you to walk with me. I got you to talk with.
So I am the other sister of the bride, of the groom. No, we've denounced her as part of our family, by the way. Like, she's not Sharif anymore. I'm lots of mirrors, but the lighting's really awful in this house. If you could, here she is again. I don't know, she's supposed to be brought back in the family, but it's not happening.
I say petition to get me on London Girls. I personally, I think it would thrive more as a trio than a duo.
Oh guys, this fit is absolutely beautiful. I love it. This lighting's not doing it justice. How are you?
I don't know how to do football commentary, but right now, this is winning team. Really table football. Woo, look at that. That is a champion right there.
3-1. I was in the queue.
What happened? Fights. Oh, we're gonna get some proper action on camera here.
Guys, deep Venus swing vegetable oil in the.
I think it'll be slippery.
Dude, that one's even worse.
I think a little bit of oil can't fit. Have this little bag, in the rubber.
Habiba, do the goalkeeper.
No, that's not that stiff.
No, that one's so stiff.
How do you know?
That's one you've been bloody letting in all the goals. Do him.
No, but it's not because
Guys, you're holding up the game, man.
Fats has gone solo because she thinks she's great. You guys, don't you just love Fats' fit? Like, absolutely.
No, you're distracting me.
I'm getting ready to go bowling and it's like almost bloody midnight, but you know what this family's like.
I'm making sure I make it into the video.
You made it, babes. You made it. Anything to say?
Don't worry,
You've also made it now. Well done. You made it too.
I'll make it into the video.
Put that away.
Okay.
Very intense. Bloody hell. So guys, imagine we all came to this arcade to go bowling and it's basically shut, so everyone's just, hey Habiba! It's the Baxters actually. got these lot over here. I don't know why his shirt's off. Where's your shirt?
I had to take my coat off.
Oh, you had to take it off? Okay. Whose birthday is it, Ibby? It's the twins' birthdays. Do you know who the twins are? Oh my goodness. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Safwan and Soleil. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday.
Hey, there's a vlog want us to rush them.
My vlog does not want you to rush them because I change their nappies when they're babies and I have them. I have maternal instincts over these boys.
Okay, no, allow that, that's dead, bro. I'm saying tuck them in.
So good morning, guys. So here I am with my little man because we're the only ones awake. Do you have anything to say?
Do you want to spot me?
Quite fine. Hot's not you. Actually gonna be in a meeting. She's a bit peaked.
Because she's bad at her job.
That's not true. Actually, I just need a bit of help. And the person who's gonna help me is just available on a weekend.
When you need help, you're bad at something.
Allah, that's not true.
Yeah, I've got a very mixed mindset.
Well, how old are you?
I'm 11.
11. It's gonna change.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. I saw you in a vlog and I was like, that little boy's so cute. And I just wanted to be your friend. I think it was in an Eid vlog. And ever since then, I've just been trying to beg friend him. But we're friends now, innit? Hey, spud me down. What do you mean? Okay.
What's this for?
This is for London girl.
Oh, watch them.
I'm not. Okay, we're back on track.
We're back on track and she's about to call.
Hello. So guys, we're off to the shops to go retrieve my stolen toothbrush and other bits and bobs.
And it's in Liverpool and it's very cold.
Show them your whistle quickly, that you won yesterday.
I won this at the arcade.
Playing what game?
It was gambling, but everything that I took, I put it back to do gambling.
I've never heard this before, but
Yeah. Some people believe that's not right.
So no, but do you know why I don't get that logic?
Why?
Because you're using, basically you've wasted your money.
Yeah.
Yeah, like let's say you put £2 into the machine.
Yeah.
And then whatever you win, you can't actually keep it, right?
No.
So what? So you just wasted £2? Actually, no, you haven't had fun, right?
Yeah.
I don't know.
But things like this,
Yeah.
you can't technically pay it back. So you have to keep it.
Oh, I see. Okay, no, you've
And
got the
plus-
whistle in the end, but yeah.
I also want a Scooby-Doo blinking.
Cool. Like Chinatown, you know. So we've got the real deal. Oh shit. Why did that happen? I'm so dumb. It's a raindrop. But yeah, as you can see, that's the fake Chinatown. I'll give us a little commentary.
So, every January,
Yeah.
every February, on like the 3rd, that's Chinese New Year's Eve.
Don't lie.
Yeah.
Look how you educating me, like, go on.
And then, I don't know what day exactly, but I know it's in February.
Okay, cool. I didn't even know that.
And then so the next weekend is going to be China's New Year.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Are you making this up?
No.
Oh, guys, actually, I feel so deep. I've been dragging him everywhere now. But no, because he's my new friend.
I'm losing my whole body up.
And no one wants to come with me, so. Oh. Okay. Also, show them your new coat.
Yeah, and it's like neon.
Hey, do the backwards thing. Pull backwards. Hey, my life. Oh my god, that's so pretty. MashaAllah. Some pretty stuff down here.
It must be to you. You want.
Don't you think it's pretty? Yeah. What do you mean no?
Sorry, I'm very rude.
No, you're cute, you're cute.
I need to hear this. Bye.
Say it with some enthusiasm.
I'll see you later.
Oh, perfect. Okay. Can you go tell them to go subscribe?
Oh, subscribe and hit the like button and ring that bell.
Hey, no, that was sick. Ring that bell, I like that. Oh my god, say
Yeah,
that again.
I'll bet YouTube then, you know.
Say it again.
Subscribe, drop down a like and ring that bell.
My G. Sick, you heard him. Go do it. So we just came back from our little trip to the supermarket. market.
to Chinatown.
Yeah, go on then.
So this is her stupid mistake. We got another toothbrush.
Another toothbrush.
We got
Coming! We got toothpaste, which was just stolen. Go
and
on.
we got dairy milk.
Cadbury dairy milk.
And we got the best crisps ever.
Hey, she just, why did you move away? Now you're not in frame. I don't know if you're in frame because it's back camera, but yeah.
It doesn't matter. We got skips, the best crisps ever. We got my favourite drink, my favourite chocolate drink.
You're going too fast. You got, oh, sorry, did I just shout at you?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Hey. Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry.
No,
That was
no.
a bit rude. Okay, we got Mars.
We got well.
Apologies.
We got Terry's chocolate orange minis. I like the circle better. The ball.
Well done, so you've improved already. Okay, sit. These are my favourite chocolates ever.
This is the best chocolate ever.
Crunchy.
Crunchy. It crunches. That's why it's called crunchy.
I used to like that a lot, but you know.
This is for
Specially requested by
the loyal family, the royal family.
of today, the groom
Today.
father.
The green farmer. It's the best drink for him.
Is it really?
don't
I
know.
swear he likes Coke, but I
Coke
don't know.
Zero, no caffeine.
Yeah.
Golden one.
And then we got this for the picky groom sister,
This is
who only drinks Evian, unfortunately.
she doesn't drink smart water because she's not smart.
Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. What, go on.
We got the bag.
And we've got a blue bag. If you did enjoy that, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Right?
And ring that bell bell.
My G. Buzz me then.
I just saw it in the boot. You saw it in the boot? Yeah. Who put it in the boot? I just saw it there right now.
Guys, I say we... Can we go to McDonald's?
Guys, put the window.
McDonald's right next door.
I know.
Right, so you can walk it.
Guys, can be quiet, please. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to our vlog. So we're going bowling.
What is this?
Can you come with some enthusiasm? Don't say no, okay? Anyways, I keep getting in trouble at because apparently I'm not vlogging enough. So now we're going to do like this.
You want
I
some
was just
Doritos?
trying to
Oh,
haggle
yes, please, yes.
for some McDonald's, but I don't know if it's working.
Guys, I'm just so starving and hungry
she's
and
got
like...
some Doritos.
This is what they gave me to eat.
Okay.
I want real food.
Okay, bye
I'm
now.
not hungry, I don't understand.
We're on a team, so we're just like,
No, piggyback, Aya!
Let go.
On her shoulders, Aya! Okay, that's usually squats like 70 kg, so this should be light work. But you look like a absolute show off. A little jump, did you say? Oh goodness. She's really showing off now. Alright, stop showing off that!
well done, well done. It's shown off now. Oh my god, that was a jump. Oh my god. Aya, are you okay? Oh, she's having fun.
Guys, I'm so ashamed.
Team Patricia, you know.
And we came third.
This ain't too bad.
I'm not gonna lie, I really let the team down.
Teamwork.
But yeah, so that's that. Where are we, Fats? What are we doing?
Hey guys, it's Chinese New Year. Yeah, man just came out to go Tesco's, but I'm glad because I wanted to explore anyways and I've got a reason. Also, that's always
sorry.
Just say hello.
Hi,
Stop
it's
it.
Michael.
Good night.
Anyway.
Yeah, I just didn't know there were so many people. Liverpool. These are really cute.
What the hell's that noise?
One I couldn't tell you. Yeah. Right, I just thought this was a little dead town, but obviously not. Oh my god, that dog looks a bit sleepy, bless him. Oh my god, Habiba. Yeah. Does it not look very sleepy? Oh.
I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Oopsie, we're walking through the whole, oh my god, we walked through the centre stage. This is so interesting because it's a bunch of Buras. It's a what, baby? A bunch of Buras. Oh. I'm a bit surprised because like you have the white people doing the dance.
Yeah, it's just like
And,
white
like-
people celebrating Chinese New Year. It's cute, but it's just funny.
No, but they're actually like doing the
Do
entertainment
they celebrate
too.
Eid like this? No.
In it? Yes, we were told them. Don't.
No, we
This is
don't.
serious. Please pray.
You don't need them to, it's fine. Like,
No, because we
let
need
people celebrate what they want to
No,
celebrate.
do you know
Because then
why?
people expect us to celebrate Christmas. So it's like, no, like,
No, but we need a national holiday for Eid. Do you know what I mean?
yeah, definitely.
I don't want to be forced to take a day off on Christmas. I want to be forced to take. No, I don't want to. You get my point, right?
Yeah.
My manager knows about my YouTube channel. I can't be talking too much. No, my mum told. Hi, James, if you're watching.
So Liverpool has the first masjid in the UK, which we had the wedding at. And
No
it's also
way!
like the biggest cathedral in the UK. But that's not it, by the way. That's not it.
Okay.
But we
But the
passed
first
it. Did you see that huge church?
I did.
It's huge. Like, it
Yeah.
literally is scarily huge.
Anyway. Okay, bye.
We've arrived at Tesco's.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Wait, have we? Oh yeah, there
we
it is.
have. Wait again. Guys, we're leaving our apartment.
It's not an apartment, it's a yard.
We're leaving our
Very interesting yard as well. Basically, also guys, don't judge me because I know you've seen me wear this for 3 days. These are the only other clothes other than my wedding outfit that I bought, but they're clean.
Yeah. Chelsea in London. Also, no,
See
babe,
London.
wait. Can you just say bye to all the other days that we didn't say bye? So like when we went bowling, we're really bad at apologising. And not apologising, just ending vlogs, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, ciao.